Hello guys, today I am presenting a topic from Rasashastra Gandhak, commonly known as Sulphur, and the different Shodhan methods explained in Ayurvedic classes. This presentation also tries to correlate these traditional methods with the modern understanding of sulphur and its allotrope. Short introduction. Gandhak is a very important non-metal described in Ayurveda. In Rasashastra, it is considered next only to Parada, that is Mercury in importance. The special feature of Gandhaka is that it can exist in multiple forms called allotropes, and each form behaves differently. Our Acharyas understood this uniqueness and designed specific purification methods called Shodhana to utilize these properties for therapeutic use. Even today, sulphur remains an interesting subject for modern scientists. Introduction. Ayurveda is an ancient science that studies both the human body and its environment. Rasashastra is the branch that mainly deals with metals and minerals used for medicinal purpose. Gandhak is one of the most abundantly available drugs and has wide therapeutic applications. However, purification is very important before it is used internally. According to Nirukti, Tivra Gandhatvam iti Gandhakaha. The substance having strong smell is called Gandhak. It plays a key role in Parada processes like Murchana and Jarna, and is believed to reduce the toxicity of mercury by enhancing its properties. Modern view of sulphur. From the modern chemical point of view, sulphur is a yellow crystalline solid. It is naturally odorless and tasteless. It exists in different allotropic forms such as rhombic, monoclinic, and polymeric sulphur. Among these, rhombic sulphur is the most commonly occurring and stable form found in nature. Occurrence of sulphur. Sulphur is commonly found in nature near volcanic regions. Major natural deposits are seen in Texas and Louisiana in the United States. Other leading producers of sulphur including Canada, Japan, Poland, and Russia. This shows that sulphur is abundantly available in nature. Effects of sulphur exposure. Sulphur may be present in the atmosphere in different forms. Its inhalation can cause irritation to the eyes. Experimental studies shows that excessive exposure may affect the brain, nervous system, heart, and kidneys. This highlights the importance of proper purification before medicinal use. Different auras of Gandhak. Gandhakas occur in various auras forms. In sulphide form, it is found as copper pyrite, iron pyrite, galena, realgar, and cinnabar. In sulphide form, it is found as gypsum. These ores contain sulphur combined with different metals and minerals. Gandhak Bheda. According to Rasaratna Samuchay, Gandhak is classified into three types. Shukachanchu Nibham, which is red in color, is considered the best for medicinal use. Pitavarna, yellow in color, it is moderately quality. Shvetvarna, white in color, is considered as an inferior quality. Important characteristic of sulphur. Sulphur has atomic number 16 and density of 2.07 gram per cubic centimeter. It shows various oxidation states like -2, +2, +4, +6. Its electronegativity is 2.5 and boiling point is 444.6 degrees Celsius. This property influences its behavior during heating and purification. Now, Shodhana methods taken. First, Shodhan methods. In these methods, Gandhak is melted along with cow ghee. The liquid sulphur is then filtered through a cloth into a vessel and washed with water. The impurities and stony particles remains on the cloth and purified Gandhak is collected in the vessels. Second Shodhana methods. In this method, powder Gandhak is kept in a tamri yantra and heated for 12 hours with moderate heat. Sulphur vaporizes and rises upward, then condenses as droplet at the base of the upper pot. These droplets are collected as purified Gandhak. Since it undergoes vaporization and condensation, physical impurities are completely removed. In advantage, vapor condensation removes physical impurities and no smell of ghee and milk. Third Shodhana methods. In this method, melted Gandhak is poured into Bhringarasvaras. It is powdered, boiled again in the juice, and the process is repeated. This repeated treatment with herbal juice enhances its purity and therapeutic suitability. Fourth method, Shodhana method. Here, powdered Gandhak is placed on a cloth tied over a pot containing milk and subjected to Laghukuta using cow dung cakes. After burning and cooling, Gandhak settles into the milk. It is washed, dried, and the process is repeated 3 times to ensure proper purification. In discussion, allotropes. Sulphur mainly exists in rhombic and monoclinic forms. Its melting point varies between 115 to 120 degrees Celsius. This variation helps in forming different allotropes during Shodhana procedure. Rhombic sulphur has a rhomboid crystal structure and is highly stable. It is formed by rapid cooling, which happens in the 4 Shodhana methods. This stable form is useful in Kajjali, Kharaliya Rasayana and direct administration as it does not react easily inside the body. Monoclinic sulphur. Monoclinic sulphur has a linear structure and is less stable. It is formed by slow heating and slow cooling as seen in the Dhalan method. This form is more reactive and useful in Marna, Kupipakwa and Pottali Rasayana preparation. Key points. The key point is that our Acharyas intelligently use the melting behavior and cooling pattern of sulphur to obtain specific allotropes required for different pharmaceutical purposes. In conclusion, Gandhak is abundantly available and therapeutically very important. Many Shodhana methods are described in classical, each possibly having chemical significance. Modern scientific tools and analysis are needed to validate and better understanding these traditional methods. Through this presentation, I have tried to explain the research article on Gandhak in a very simple and understandable way by connecting Ayurvedic concept with modern scientific understanding. Gandhak is not just a mineral mentioned in the text, but a substance deeply studied by our Acharyas with a great pharmaceutical intelligence. I hope this simplified explanation helped you understand the importance of Gandhak and its Shodhana methods in Rasashastras. Thank you for watching. If you found this explanation useful and easy to understand, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such simplified presentation on Ayurveda and Rasashastra research articles. Thank you.